Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the color of the t-shirt and apply some pattern to it. So let's begin. First, you need to crop out the shirt. You can do it with the pen tool. It's in the left bottom corner, right there. Zoom in a little bit. And make sure to not leave any little bits of shirt out of the selection. This way it will look more realistic. Make the layer from the background by right-clicking on the image layer and create a new layer. Right-click on the selected path and choose Make Selection. Feather radius 2 and click OK. Then go to the color picker and choose the desired color. After that, fill the selection with the Paint Bucket tool. Go in blending modes and change the blending mode to color. Also, there is another way to change the color. Let me show you how to do it. So click on the color layer with Ctrl plus right click. Then disable it and choose the image layer. Go in the hue, saturation, and change the hue and saturation until you get the desired color. Then click OK. That's pretty nice. So now we want to add some pattern to the shirt. In order to do that, first we need to open our pattern image. Drag the image on top of all other layers. Adjust its position. And then create a clipping mask out of it. Make sure that it is on top of the color layer. Go through the blending modes and find out which one works the best. In my situation, overlay works pretty well. This technique not always works the same. I'll show you what I mean. So let's add another pattern. Convert the layer into the smart object. And find some cool patterns. By the way, all the images used in the tutorial are linked in the description. I like this one. Download it. Because our flamingos are pink, they will not work on the violet shirt. So we need to change shirt color again. I think white will work best. Click on the color layer with Ctrl plus right click, and disable it. Then choose the image layer. Go to the hue, saturation, and desaturate selection. Then go to the levels and change the parameters until our shirt will turn white. Double-click on the pattern layer and import a new pattern image. Drag it on top of the old pattern. Adjust its size. close the window and click Yes. Enable the layer. Choose the color layer and go to the blending modes. Find the blending mode that works best. Hard light works pretty well, I think. Adjust opacity a little bit if necessary. And that's it. I think it turned out great. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to not miss our new videos.